All right, so good evening, Israel, and how are you doing? My name is Daniel,
Yeah, good evening.
and
I'm good.
good evening to everyone who is watching this video currently. So, um, I'll just be going through the basics of what forex is all about. Okay, in the next 30 to 1 hour, we should be done.
Okay.
You understand? So,
Okay.
what is forex? Okay, so how did the name to play? Do you understand? What does forex literally mean? And how does it really affect the whole world as a whole? You get so forex came
Yeah.
from two words, okay,
Okay.
foreign and exchange. You understand? So forex is
I
the
can't get
combination
you.
of foreign exchange.
Okay. Foreign
What is
exchange.
it?
Okay. Yeah, I'm listening.
That's forex. So forex came in from the word foreign exchange. Okay. So now
Yeah.
it's important that we know that this forex involves currencies. Okay. So every country in the world they actually have a particular currency they spend. Do you understand? They have a
Yeah.
particular currency, just like Nigeria
Yeah.
dollar and other countries like that, like the Great British Pound, which is pounds, and
Okay.
England has their currency. Japan has their currency. Chinese have their currency and all of things like that. So now the exchange of this particular currency is where forex comes in. So imagine you want to exchange or you want to travel to a country where they spend another currency, right? You need
Okay.
to convert your naira, right, to that country's currency. Do you understand? So imagine you want to
Yes. Yes.
travel to Japan, you need to convert your naira to Japanese yen, Japanese currency are called. Do you understand? So now going straight to it, it is basically simple. So the forex market seems to be very opaque. So now before I start reading what is in my slide now, I just want to tell you that what forex now come in a term, you can now easily trade this foreign exchange. Do you understand? The way
Yeah.
people are actually exchanging currencies, you can now look at it and okay, the price at which they are exchanging this currency
Okay. Please, I can't hear you
United
again.
States. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so I said, imagine you want to convert 50,000 naira to
Okay.
but you are traveling away from Nigeria, you are going to either USC or thereabout. So now you need to
Okay.
convert that particular money to what? That your particular naira, right? 50,000 naira to
Yeah. To
dollar.
Japanese.
So
Yeah. Okay.
how can you now convert these two things? Like at what rate? Do you understand? At what price are you converting? So if you are converting 50,000 naira to dollar, you should be getting $30. Do you understand? You should be
Yes.
getting
Yes. I
$30 or thereabout. Now the reason is $1 to Nigerian currency is currently around 1.5. Do you understand? One five
Yeah. I
one
understand.
four thereabout. So now comes in. Now forex trading now comes in a very unique way because it allows you to be able to speculate a lot of things, a lot of activities that occurs during this exchange, right? So now
Okay.
there is a market where all these things are actually digitalized. Do you understand? There is
Yes. I'm
a
listening.
place where you can easily go to and see how the activities of everything occurs. Do you understand? How
Yeah.
good or how dollar or naira is moving. You understand against every
Yeah.
other
I'm listening.
currency or how they are falling or how they are rising and things like that. That
Okay.
market is where we as forex on. That is where our job is. Do you understand?
Okay.
So now
Yeah. I understand.
this market is very opaque for beginners. That means it is very, it might look very new to you. Do you understand? It's very, very
Yeah.
new, and we just be looking at it like what is happening here. But for a fact, it offers many opportunities to make money. That's for a fact. It offers a
Okay.
lot of opportunities to make money. So you must know that you must know how the forex market work as well as how successful traders achieve success in the market. That's how we can be able to be successful in the market. Do you understand? So now
Yeah. I
just going
understand.
straight to it. It says the among the unique features of forex market is that it trades 24 hours a day. So as a beginner, it's important you know that forex market is open 24 hours a day. Do you understand?
Okay. Yeah, I
For
understand.
in a week, it is only opened Mondays to Friday. The forex market, okay, the forex
Okay.
market is open 24 hours a day, but just 5 days in a week. Do you understand? So that is
Yeah.
important to note. Unlike stocks or unlike crypto, stocks and cryptos are opened for over a lot of time for 7 days, then 247 they are open. Do you understand? That's for
Okay.
crypto and stocks. But currencies are open 24 hours. Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Around the world. This means that you can trade at all hours of the day. Do you understand? Now,
Yeah, I understand.
each of these currencies now that we trade, right? Each of these currency we trade when it comes to forex, they come in pairs. A
Okay.
pair means two
So
things. You get two things. So a
yes.
pair it involves two things. So now they come in pairs, and such as you can see something like NGN USD. Okay, so what does NGN USD means? NGN is Nigerian naira, right?
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
USD is
USD.
United States dollar. You
Uh,
get so now the combination of those two things, do you understand?
yeah.
As a particular pair. So from what I have here, USD JPY. USD is United States dollar. JPY means Japanese yen. Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, JPY means Japanese yen. Then if you want to go ahead, you see buying this pair means going long on US dollar and going short on Japanese yen. I will explain that soon. So the next one we have here is what? GBP USD, right?
Yeah.
Okay. GBP USD. So now that's what we have there. So now, after GBP USD, GBP USD means Great British Pounds. Do you understand? Great
Yeah.
British Pound. That's the meaning of GBP. Then USD still remain United States dollar. Do you understand?
Yeah, I
USD still
understand.
remain United States dollar. So now we now have CNY USD. Okay, CNY USD means Chinese yuan renminbi.
Okay.
Or just call it Chinese yuan, Chinese yuan, Chinese yuan. You get CNY means Chinese yuan. You understand?
I
Chinese yuan,
understand.
that's what is traded in China and to what the United States dollar. You
Okay.
understand?
I understand.
Now, this is where the main job comes in when we talk about buying this pair. So now I will come back to this particular
Hello?
countless other currency pairs. For a fact, there are a lot more of like a lot of currencies. Do you understand? But
Yeah,
in
I
addition, the
understand.
forex market has tremendous liquidity, which means it is sustainable, suitable for
Time.
large institutional investors.
Okay.
We don't have business with all those things. So now to begin trading forex, right? To begin trading forex, what do you need? Do you understand?
Yeah.
First, like I'm sure you've opened an account with Xness, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So now Xness is what connects you as someone who wants to trade. Do you understand to the market?
Okay.
Forex brokers. So Xness is an example of a broker. If you can see this particular yellow and
I'm black.
kind of logo here, can you see that? Now that has a
Yeah.
white background. That's Xness.
Yeah, I can see it.
So now that one now tells us that yes, you need to open an account with a registered broker. So Xness is an example of a forex broker that I recommend. Do you understand? And there are a lot of
Please, I can't hear you again.
okay. So I said
Okay.
Xness was the broker I recommended, right? So
Okay.
I'll
Yeah.
be listing out the reasons why I recommended Xness as
Okay.
time goes. So now they vary based on their reputation in the market, the size of the brokerage firm, as well as the trading condition they give. So for us who are really new into forex, for people who are coming into forex as newbies, Xness
Okay.
gives you a very chill environment. Do you understand? To actually carry out your trading conditions or carry out your trading activities. Do you understand? And
Yeah, I
their
understand.
there's something we call leverage as well as their spread is fair enough. You understand? As a
Yeah.
broker and other broker like HFM, XM, FX Pro, blah blah blah. But just focus on
Okay.
Xness. You understand?
Okay.
So now this is where uh the main job comes in. So now before you can be able to trade forex, right, you need to have a strategy. Do you
Okay.
get? You need to
Yeah.
have a unique strategy. Now there are a lot of strategy, and this strategy are what you really need to focus on. Do you understand? In
Yeah.
building,
Understand.
you need to build yourself in strategies, which is with my help here, we'll be working on every strategy as much as possible. Do you understand? But it is
Okay. I understand.
important that when you've learned all these strategies, you focus on one or two or three at most. Do you understand? You focus on
Okay. I
one
understand.
or three at most. So now the basic strategies for trading forex. First strategy is trend trading. Okay. Another strategy is range trading. Another
Okay.
strategy is retracement trading. Another strategy is grid trading. Another strategy is the carry trades. Another strategy is the 50 pips a day strategy. Another strategy is 1 hour strategy. Do you understand? So now let me just pick this one by one, okay, and we go over everything one by one. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I understand.
Yeah. So now going through everything one by one now, we need to focus on we need to focus on trend trading. Okay. So
Okay.
in forex, there
Yeah.
are
I'm with you.
two major trends. Do you understand? Or let me
Yeah. I
say
understand.
three major. Let me say two. There are two major trends. So there's the uptrend called a consolidation zone. I will call
Okay.
that. So in trend trading, there's just two trends: the uptrend, which is the
Okay.
bullish trend, then the downtrend, which is also the bearish trend. So if you look at the market now, somebody asks you what will happen in the market, you should be able to tell them
Okay.
okay, if price is moving towards the upside, if price is moving towards the upside, then you should know that price is going in a bullish trend or in an uptrend. If price is
Okay.
coming down, which is price is falling, then it means price is going in a downtrend. You understand?
Yeah. I understand it.
Yeah. So now there's also something we call range trading. Range trading is when price is just ranging. Do you understand?
Okay.
Just check the meaning of ranging. It's just ranging. You get either it's pushing up fast or it's going down slow. Do you understand? It's just ranging. Price is just
Okay.
ranging. So now it's important that you pay attention.
Please. That network is fluctuating. I can't hear you again. Are you there?
Yes, I am. I am.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So now trading in the forex market. So aside from you trading with your trends and range, there are
Okay.
also some activities that the probably a currency like the USD now, if there is any news that actually could affect the market, any news that
Okay.
is released in the United States now, if they release any news and all, you
Okay.
understand, it can definitely
Yeah.
affect the financial markets. You understand?
Okay. Yeah. I understand.
So there are many news like FOMC
Okay.
talk about news trading specifically. But just know that there's FOMC, there's CPI, there's NFP, there's also there are a lot of news trading. We'll go into that
Okay.
as well. You understand?
Okay.
So
Yeah. I
now
understand.
involves when price is going through, let's say, a level of retracement during probably when price has gone towards an uptrend, then it is coming down again to retrace. Do you understand?
Yeah,
It's
I
just
understand.
coming down to test the level before going up. You understand? So now, once that's where retracement trading comes in, then grid trading,
Okay.
carry trading, we don't really have business with those two. I don't do those two. Another
Okay.
trading I do is the 50 pips a day strategy. Okay, so the 50
Okay.
pips a day strategy is you use any of your analysis techniques. I'll still talk about techniques, and then you carry out the trade. You understand? And then what you
Yeah, I
are
understand.
targeting is just 50 and you're okay. You understand? You just want market to
Okay.
move 50 pips in your direction and you're okay. Another one strategy is just like you want to be a part of traders who are long term.
Okay.
And the types of traders we have can be divided into about three or four. So now the first type of traders we have is the scalpers. Okay, so we have the scalpers. We have the
Okay.
scalpers, SCALPRS. We have
SP what?
them. We have the day traders. Those are people that just stay on the chart every day and they're exiting in that same day. You understand?
Okay.
So there are some who are also known as the swing traders. Okay,
You
so
said?
the swing traders swing SWI. You can hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you, but the stuff is frustrating.
Oh, okay. So I said they are swing traders
Okay.
as well as they are the day traders.
Yeah, you said that.
Okay. So are we taking note of that?
Yeah, yes.
Are we taking note of that?
Yes, 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 yes.
All right. They are also the fundamental traders, they are the
Okay.
technical traders, and they are the momentum traders. Okay.
Okay, I
So I've
understand.
given you six types of traders
Yeah.
now. The scalpers, the day traders, the swing traders, the technical traders, the fundamental traders, the momentum traders. So
Okay. Please, I can't hear you again. Are you there? Hello. Okay.
yeah, I'm with you. I
Yeah.
guess the network is bad. So when it comes to the market, there are only two activities that happens, right? Either you're buying
Okay.
or you're selling. To make
Okay.
money in the market, there are only two things you are doing. It's either you're buying or you're selling.
Okay.
So
Okay.
how do you know when to buy? Why should you buy? How do you
Okay.
know when to sell? Why should you sell? Do you understand? That is
Okay.
where your expertise comes in. That is where you view comes in. Do you understand? Now you understand the
Okay.
basics of forex. You know that forex is foreign exchange,
Yeah.
exchange between two currencies. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now you know samples of currencies that are traded. Then
Yeah.
you know the types of traders we have. Then you
Yes.
also know
How
how
they do
we are
it.
able to the brokers that are recommended. Then you know
Yes.
the strategies,
Yeah.
trading, and all of that like that. So now forex is all about buying and selling, right? That's all.
Yeah.
It's about buying and selling a pair. So let's imagine you have a pair, a currency that is GBP USD, and that's a pair, right? So why are you buying? The only thing you have to do in the market is buying and selling. As simple as it is, it's also complex. Do you understand? You can just say,
Okay.
okay, let me click buy. Why don't you buy? Do you understand? Let me click sell. Why don't you sell? So as simple as it seems, same thing. It's not just as simple as that. Do you understand? Forex is complex,
Okay.
and you just need to practice for real. If you can practice and devote time to it, you definitely know how to actually trade well. So now let's go. So how do you know when to buy or sell? How do you know when to buy or sell? So how do you know when to buy or sell? How do you know when to buy or sell? So it's important that you really know that in you buying or selling, it requires you to actually know why you are buying, why you making this particular decision to buy a particular currency. Do you understand? Why do you
Okay.
how do you know when to buy or sell? So for you to know when to buy or sell in a financial market, you have to focus on something called the technical analysis. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So when you focus on the technical analysis, you'll be able to know how to actually do what, how to know
Buy and
when to buy or sell.
sell.
So now there are millions of you know of technical analysis.
Okay.
Technical analysis involves you poring over charts to identify, patterns or trends or all of this like that. You are just trying to just look at, okay, what is really happening in this market. Do you understand? How can I really
Okay.
make money from it and all? Do you understand?
Yeah.
So now it's important that you pay attention to the things that really matter in the market. Don't just go around in the market and just be there. Let me show you how the market looks like. Okay, so let's
Okay.
go quick. Share screen. So yeah, if you can see my screen right now, so this is how the forex market looks like, right? So this is
Okay.
how it looks perfectly. This is how the forex market looks like. So there is no difference. This is how every market will look like if there isn't your system. This is I just changed my currency to a different currency. This currency is GBP USD. You can see my cursor here. Can you see this?
Yes.
GBP USD, and this is NZD USD, NZD USD, as you can see there. Then there are a lot of currencies, right? AUD USD, right? AUD USD. So I wouldn't want to bombard you with a lot of information tonight. So
Okay.
tomorrow we'll be back and I'll be demystifying, I'll be breaking down everything about this chart. You understand?
Okay.
So make sure you
Okay.
don't miss tomorrow. So
Sure.
let's talk about technical analysis. Let's talk about technical analysis, then we'll call it a time.
Okay.
So now
Okay. Yeah.
let's go straight to cotton.
You said?
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm trying to look for
Okay.
something. So technical analysis is the study of currency's price movement. Just take it of this, okay? So
Okay.
technical analysis involves you studying the price of a currency movement. Do you understand? On a
Okay.
chart. That's what technical analysis involves. So what you're trying to do as a technical analyst is you are trying to actually follow the chart, see where the chart is leading to, and see how you can make money in the nearest future. Do you understand? So
Yeah, I
if
understand
you
you.
look at my screen right now, you'll be seeing some lines I drew.
Yeah, I can see
Those
it.
lines are samples of technical analysis. Okay, those lines are
Okay.
samples of technical analysis. And the first technical analysis I'll be telling you is the trend line. Okay, that's one
Okay.
strategy I use. I use the trend line like no tomorrow. That's one strategy I use. Do you understand?
Okay.
So now I use the trend line. Then the other one I use is also the support and resistance level. Okay. So
You
another
said
technical analysis, support
support
and
and what?
resistance
Okay. Support and resistance line
level.
level. Okay.
Yeah, support and resistance level.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's very important. It's important to pay attention to these two things. Trend lines, do you understand? Then the second one,
Yeah.
support and resistance level.
Resistance level.
So another
Okay.
thing I also pay attention to is what? Chart patterns. Write that down.
Chart.
Chart patterns. We'll be coming back to
Chart.
all these things. We'll be breaking them one by one as
Okay.
time goes on in class. So chart patterns. So chart patterns is very important one. Then the other one we have is the technical indicators are very good technical analysis that you can use to make money. Indicators, you understand?
Okay. Yeah, I got that.
So these are the four things I use. I don't want to stress you a lot. You
Okay.
understand? There are a lot
Yeah,
of things that you can know, but I don't advise you knowing a lot when it comes to forex, because if the more you know, the more you are just exposing yourself to a lot of confusion and all of things like that. But if you can
okay.
follow these four particular things I just told you, these four particular technical
I can
analysis,
use this.
you
Okay.
are good to go. You understand? You are good to go.
Yeah.
So let's now look at how can we use this analysis well? How can we use this analysis well? Right? How can we use this analysis well? How can we make money from this analysis and this technical analysis? This thing I just mentioned. So now, okay, another one. Add another one to those technical analysis. Add
Okay.
psychological level. Psychological level.
Psychological level.
Yeah, psychological level. Add that to it. It's very important. Those five, they are very important. Add psychological level to it.
Okay, I got that.
Yeah. So now, using this analysis to make money is where the real job comes in. Okay, that's where the real
Okay.
job comes in. And you have to pay attention to how this whole thing works, right? So now
Yeah.
I'll be teaching each of them one by one from tomorrow. Do you
Okay.
understand? I'll teach
Okay.
each of
Yeah.
them one by one from tomorrow. And once it's 9:40, I will end the class because I don't want
Okay.
this to be too long for YouTube guys that want to watch you get as well as others.
Okay.
So we'll be taking them every day, back to back, and in a month, I promise you, you'll be good. You'll be good. So
Yeah.
today, what
Yeah.
have you learned? Let's just recap what you've learned in the next 4 minutes.
Okay. You said forex was coming from two words, which
Okay.
means foreign and exchange.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Yeah. Yeah. You said you can trade for 24 hours, but
Mhm.
the market is open for 5 days, which is Monday to
Yeah,
Friday.
exactly. Friday. Yeah, exactly.
Um, you said we have different kind of currency and which they
Hmm.
work together in place.
Yeah, right. Yes, they
That
do.
means we can have USSD and JPY. We can
Hmm.
have NDN, and that is Nigeria currency, and USD.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Also, you said you have different type of broker. You have NS, you have FS Pro, and so on like that. Also, you made mention of basic strategy.
Yeah, right. Hmm.
Yeah, you said we have menu trading, range trading, niche trading, retracement trading, grid trading, carry trading, 50 piece a day strategy, one
Yeah, right.
hour strategy. Yeah, and you made mention of type of trader. You
Okay.
said we have though I don't listen to that very well, but I can
Okay.
still
So
hear you said day trader,
yes, there's a
fundamental
day
trader.
trader. Yes.
Yeah, you said we have momentum trader. So I think those are the three I can hear very well.
Okay. Okay. So there are
You said
scalpers. There are scalpers. Scalpers.
scalpers, okay, scalpers, okay,
Scalpers.
I get it.
Yeah. S
Okay,
C A L P E R S. S
okay,
C A L P E R S. Then the
okay,
swing. SWING. Swing traders.
okay, okay.
So did you take note of day traders too? Did you take note of day traders?
Yeah. Day trader.
Day
Um,
traders.
so moving forward, you
Yeah.
said forex is about buying and selling of pairs. So and you said how to know, like, when you are doing that, then you have to focus on the technical analysis of the chart. That's when we determine, or that's when you can make decision or when to buy and sell. Yeah. Am I on the line? Can you hear me?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I can hear you now. I can hear you now. The network went off for you. Why? Let me see.
Okay. So I said forex, you said forex is about buying and selling of pairs.
Yes, yes, right.
Yeah. And you said to to do that, you have to focus on the technical analysis of the charts or of the market of the
Okay.
charts, right?
Yes, yes, I'm with you.
Yeah. So and you made mention of type of technical analysis. You said we have the trend line, you have the support and resistance level, you have the
Yeah,
chart, you have the chart pattern,
yeah,
you
exactly.
have technical indicator, you have
Mm-hmm.
psychological level.
Yeah,
So yeah, I think that is the five that you made mention of. And you said technical analysis is the study of the price
yeah.
currency
So,
of the movement
okay.
of the chart. Yeah.
Mhm. All right. So I think that was all I talked about, right? So then,
Yeah.
from tomorrow we'll continue from there. Okay. Thank you very much,
Okay.
Israel, for joining the class. I hope
Thank
you
you so
learned
much.
something too.
Yeah. Thanks so much. You,
All
you,
right.
you
Then.
said
See
something
you
now.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
I said I hope
Okay.
you learned something today.
Sure, sure, sure.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Then. All right. Yeah. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, thank you so much. Good night.
Yeah. Good night.